What's going on, y'all? It's Jonathan here with Drone Academy again, and today I am very excited. For those of you who've been following us on social media, you probably already know why. There's two good reasons. One, it's my birthday. And two, and more importantly, that means we're giving away free stuff. You said you wanted the Mavic 2 Pro, so we're giving it to you along with some other drones, some great training from Drone Academy, and a couple of books from the ladies over at Women and Drones. So we got some awesome prize packs for you. I've been flying the Mavic 2 Pro for a few days now, and it is a beast of an aircraft. We're gonna be doing a full review and comparison with the Phantom 4 Pro version 2, which is, I know, what a lot of y'all have been asking about. We'll probably also throw in some stuff with the OG Phantom Pro just to show you how far it's come and how big of a step up this aircraft is. So if you haven't yet, get to our website, check out the link below, sign up. You can't win if you don't play, so good luck.